We're on the second floor of a quaint and quiet building with a green courtyard in the heart of the South District. Measuring 100 square meters, the apartment consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with walk-in showers, a guest toilet, a pantry, and a living room with an American kitchen. The over 3-meter high ceilings, the creaky charismatic herringbone parquet, and the layout is what makes this home super authentic and gives a real taste for what it's like to live in Budapest. The coziest and most secluded bedroom faces the courtyard and is a really nice place to wake up when it's raining. Get your breakfast in the bakery just down the street, have lunch in Ghetto Guyash, a drink in the Köleves garden, and visit the great synagogue in between. All just a few steps from the front door.